I have to put on record, now, the men and women who really fought for free higher education. In the House of Representatives, when I called for a meeting, only 4 lonely souls showed up in the meeting. And I think it is only proper that they be recognized. Congressman Joey Salceda, Congresswoman Ann Hofer, Congresswoman Evie Escudero, and the Office of Speaker Alvarez. Only 4 lonely souls showed up in the meeting when we were talking about how to save the bill. The rest were just waiting for the veto. Literally. And the other